In the quiet town of Dobbs Ferry, New York, just 30 minutes north of Manhattan, a future tech titan was growing up in the 1980s. Mark Elliott Zuckerberg, the co-founder of Facebook and one of the most influential figures of the digital age, didn't start out in Silicon Valley. He began right here, in a small town where ideas were nurtured, curiosity was encouraged, and the seeds of innovation were planted. Dobbs Ferry is known for its strong schools and tight-knit community. From an early age, young Mark showed signs of exceptional intelligence. He was curious, quiet, and deeply interested in how things worked, especially computers. His parents, Edward and Karen Zuckerberg, recognized his talent and supported his passion. By middle school, he was already programming games and tools on his computer. In this supportive environment, with access to books, technology, and mentors, Mark's skills flourished. By high school, he had created ZuckNet, a messaging program that allowed computers in his family's home and dental office to communicate. It was more than a simple tool. It was a glimpse into the future of connectivity. Mark attended Phillips Exeter Academy, a prestigious prep school in New Hampshire. There, he continued coding, building software, and exploring artificial intelligence. Even as he moved further from Dobbs Ferry, the values instilled in him, discipline, creativity, and intellectual ambition remained. We all know what happened next. From Harvard dorm rooms came FaceMash, which quickly evolved into Facebook, a platform that would change how the world connects. As Facebook exploded in popularity, so did Mark's influence. He dropped out of college, moved to California, and built one of the most powerful companies in history. Yet, despite living in Palo Alto and traveling the world, Zuckerberg has often spoken about how his upbringing shaped who he became. Today, Dobbs Ferry remains proud of its famous native son. While Mark rarely returns to the spotlight in his hometown, locals still point to his childhood home and local schools when talking about where it all began. And although his life now orbits around Meta, AI, and the metaverse, the foundation was laid during those formative years in a quiet New York suburb. Mark Zuckerberg's journey reminds us that great ideas don't always come from big cities or fancy labs. Sometimes they start in a bedroom in a small town like Dobbs Ferry, where imagination meets opportunity. So next time you check your phone, post a photo, or join a group online, remember, that connection might never have been possible without the quiet beginnings of one curious kid from a small American town. From Dobbs Ferry to billions connected, one idea at a time. Mark Zuckerberg, a digital visionary's roots.